Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Outlook. Open the app or Outlook. Office. Com and sign in. Once logged in, go directly to the folder where the message likely lives: Inbox, Focused, Other, or a Project folder. Use the search field at the top and type a sender, subject keyword, or the attachment file name. This filters results fast. Make sure to clear any date filters, then press enter. If you know the file type, add attachment PDF or file name, invoice to refine results further. With the message visible in the reading pane, scan under the subject line for the paperclip icon and an attachment list. Attachments may also appear inline inside the body. Click a small preview thumbnail to load it in Outlook's viewer. This checks the file without downloading. Once you find the right file, hover or right-click to reveal actions: preview, download, save as, print, or open with. If the attachment is large, Outlook might show a cloud link instead of a direct file. Click that to access. After previewing, choose Save As to keep a local copy or save to OneDrive for cloud access and sharing. Open the saved file with the correct application. Check the extension like PDF, XLSX, or DocX before launching. If you can't find the attachment, check Junk, Clutter, or the Quarantine area. Make sure the message wasn't truncated due to size limits. If problems persist, ask the sender to resend as a compressed ZIP or via OneDrive link, and confirm the file isn't blocked by company policy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.